Tuesday Tuneups!
Hey there, I'm Tiana and I'm a program coordinator here at the garage, and welcome to our very first Tiana's Tuesday Tuneups. They're going to be this set of semi-weekly little videos, just kind of checking in what's going on at the garage, clips of our students, behind the scenes stuff, event updates, things like that. And instead of droning on about who I am and what I do here, I thought I would let our students do that for me. Okay, from your guys' point of view, who am I and what do I do here?
You're Tiana, you're a program coordinator.
Correct.
You're Tiana and you make excellent coffee.
Thank you.
Help us with all of our drinks and just like go around and check on us and make sure okay. And you're kind of like a big sister, honestly, in my perspective.
Thank you.
It's very nice. I appreciate it.
Now that we've been introduced, I'd like to show you a day in the life of the garage. We're not open yet, so there aren't any students, which will soon change, but welcome to the garage. As you can see, our staffers are very busy.
Let's do this! I don't need it. I told you it's not good.
We love the garage.
And Tiana.
Let's see what's going on in our conference room. Hi Shannon, hi guys. And this is Sarah, our counselor. You should come say hi to her. All right, 10-minute warning, you guys.
All right.
Bye, you guys. Well, thank you for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you for our next Tiana's Tuesday Tune-Up.